Jai Hind everyone, I am case number 317. Today I am talking about hydrogen train. It is India's first train which is based on hydrogen. It runs between Jin to Sonipat. It is eco-friendly, which does not make pollution. Let's talk about how it works. Normal trains need wires to produce electricity, but this train does not need it. It comprises of two power cars with 4 sets of integrated power packs. It has a hydrogen fuel cells and lithium ferrophosphate battery. It combines hydrogen with oxygen to produce electricity. Thank you.